Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So this unit was just featured in another YouTube video where Terry was up on scaffolding, sanding down the front cap and using a rubber racer wheel. And I didn't actually get any footage of him painting it, but all the top decals, so those three, oops, I'm just messing up that one, and the whole one, and then the other two, all those were completely removed. Some of them on this side were started to be removed by the owner himself. And then Terry, cleaned up the surface, prepped it. He had to do some priming work to it as well. Took him a little bit longer than expected, but again, it's just a guess and each coach is different. So he ended up painting all these decals back on. Some of the issues that he ran into was he was just telling me, and I took a couple of pictures, is he said that the top piece up here was all crowned, it was all shifted funny. And he said it was off center by almost 2 inches. So he corrected everything as best he could on it to get it more profiled and centered. But it looks really good. So this is something again that we offer. These decals down here low, weren't damaged by the sun. But as you can see, like this is a fade on the decal. And so these decals fade, and then, of course, again, you can fill these with my fingernail. But took all that off, got it all painted up. It turned out really good. It's been sitting outside, so it's probably a little bit dewy from the moisture this morning, but overall it looks fantastic. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. If you haven't already joined us on our Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin, we encourage you to do so. That's where you can post, pretty much anything that's going on, upgrades, repairs, anything that you're doing, problems, issues. We try to help reply back as possible. A lot of times there's so many people now on there. We're really close to 50,000. I think we're within 100 or two from being at 50,000 members. So a lot of the members will go ahead and help reply for me on different things. And then I'll chime in time to time as well. It just depends on what the subject is and what's going on and the free time I have. But, again, we encourage you to help share and post things that's going on so that not only that we can see it, but you can see it, other people in the groups can see it, and it helps them to help protect and maintain the coach. This coach, as you can tell from the side view of it, it's actually in really good shape. It's still got its sheen to it, and I believe this is a 2018, sold as a 2019, but it was a October build is when they completed it. So it's in really good shape. You can tell by the owner's been taking care of it. I'm not sure if they've been, heeding to some of my advice, but it looks like it. You can see that all the plastics that are normally faded on something this old, it looks like they've been applying the 303 UV protectant like we're always talking about, compared to, you can see this plastic's all faded, right? So all these look a lot like they've been being conditioned and stuff by the owners. They did put in the bug screens in both of those, which is fantastic. Let's go take another peek. Again, you can see where they've been conditioning that. Looks like they could use a little bit more down there, but overall the unit's in really good shape. And yes, they got the bug screens on both the water heater and on the furnace, and they've also done the steel latch instead of the plastic one that always breaks. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna start trying to put out some more educational videos. I keep talking about that, but it's just a time thing where we're gonna go all over all the little details and tricks. Again, this is something that we do in our spare time. It's not something that we get paid for by anybody or by the companies. We do, if you didn't already know, we are back doing Grand Design warranty. And here back in December, I went out there for almost a week, spent time with everybody there. But anyways, stay tuned for more, and we'll talk to you soon. This is Dustin, your RV specialist, and California RV specialist, Lodi, California.